Hi, so welcome back to my channel. And today's adventure, we're actually going to take an impromptu trip down to the city docks in Annapolis, Maryland. Okay, so we're down here by the docks and all kinds of these boats, and there's water taxis. It's very exciting down here. And here's some of the water taxis. Hi guys. Lovely day. So we're in front of the Lynn, and she's a wood schooner, and she's a big sail. She don't have her sails open right now. You got to try out the Preserve restaurant. It has gluten-free, vegan, vegetarian, and other options. I tried the cauliflower steaks, and the fish and chips were awesome, and a sparkling rosé. Savannah from the Best Western. She's checking me in, and she was super. I was able to check in, make a reservation over the phone with her on my way down because there was one more room left, right? That is right. So she hooked me up with my rewards. I'm a Best Western member, and she was just super. So thank you, Savannah.
You're welcome. I'm glad I got to meet you before I got off.
This is the Best Western on Annapolis, and it's really close to downtown. It's about 3 to 10 minutes away. It has a microwave and a refrigerator. Good morning. Today is our second day on our trip to Annapolis, Maryland. And we're on Kent Island. We just came over the Bay Bridge over the Chesapeake, and it is an engineering marvel. It's just beautiful to go over that bridge. And we are going to check out Terrapin Nature Reserve. And it's a nice little park, so we're going to give it a little hike here. And so let's get going. So I'm so excited to see the view of the bridge. It's such a gorgeous bridge, so I hope we get a good view. And it does smell like fresh pine. If you're allergic to pines, this isn't the trail for you. And we're heading down to the beach. You can come down here and walk the beach. There's some people playing with their dog in the water. So this morning, before coming over to Terrapin, we went to the Rise Up coffee shop, and I had some pumpkin spice latte. It's October, you gotta have pumpkin spice before it's gone. This is the first time I've ever seen a lot of these. These are horseshoe crabs. Hi again. So we're going to beach number 2, Manta Beach. So we're gonna check out this beach. There's a little clubhouse down there, and that's the entrance to the beach. Like a Liberty Bell here, and there's the flags, and this is a little yacht clubhouse. It's really cute. So this beach is closer to the Bay Bridge, the Chesapeake Bay Bridge, so we might get a better shot of it over here. So we're here at Manta Beach, and you can see all the lovely sailboats coming in. It has like a nice rock structure up there. Go ahead, this is a dog-friendly beach, and we already got someone. Uh-oh, he threw that way out there. Let's see if he gets it. Oh, yeah, there you go. Yay! Good boy. Oh, he's great. Nice giant crane over there. Coffee truck is a drive-through, and these are your October specials. I think it's a solar power bike. We're down here in St. Michael's at the pier, which is behind me, and it's just beautiful here. And we're walking across the bridge to go back to the town, and we're gonna find it like a nice little spot to have a little bit of lunch. So we're heading over to the gluten-free bakery girl shop. We heard it's the only gluten-free bakery in the area, and it has this cute little bear to welcome you, and you go around the side and you can order it from her. And we got the Linzer cookie and the almond raspberry tort. So I hope you enjoy our trip to Maryland. So don't forget, smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell to be notified when my next video is up. I'll see you next time.